Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Caja Asadora de Puerco is probably one of the most exciting ways to cook pork. This traditional method, deeply rooted in Mexican cuisine, promises an exceptional culinary experience. If you're a fan of perfectly roasted barbacoa, especially pork, then you're in for a treat. Join me as we dive into the world of Caja Asadora de Puerco, exploring what makes it so special and how you can achieve mouth-watering results. Number 5. CXB85 Pig, Lamb Barbecue Spit Roaster Rotisserie Kit. The rotisserie motor is the core of the system. This one is a full 40W and comes from a factory with high-quality standards. It's built to last, ensuring your roasting experience is smooth and reliable. This system is engineered for a specific range of uses. The weight capacity is rated conservatively to ensure you have a safe and enjoyable cooking experience. You can cook up to 85 pounds of meat with it. You won't need to buy anything else. All the hardware you need to prepare and cook up to 85 pounds of meat is included. The only thing you need to provide is the meat itself. You'll need every inch of the spit rod for most large roasts. This one is longer than similar rotisseries. The two-piece spit is bolted together with a solid connector, ensuring stability. The original designers of this model are here in the USA for service and support. They are ready to assist you with any questions or issues you may have, ensuring your satisfaction. What we like. This roaster boasts a powerful 40W motor, ensuring even cooking. It's designed to handle up to 85 pounds of meat, perfect for large gatherings. Everything you need is included, so you can start roasting right away. If you're planning a big party or a family reunion, this is the one for you. What people say. Held our 35 pig like there was nothing on there. Turned well and just did an outstanding job. Very heavy duty and would highly recommend. It's great that worked well for a 60 pounds of pig and it worked very well and easy to put together, I recommend it. The quality is top-notch, and I am very pleased with the design. Clearly, a lot of thinking has gone into it, and it also seems to have also benefited from the feedback from professionals. The hardware included to hold the meat in place, for instance, is clever, sturdy, and something that I have never seen in cheaper roasters. Number 4. Bene Casa Caja Asadora Large Portable Pig Roaster. This is the Bene Casa Caja Asadora, a professional-grade pig roaster. It's perfect for outdoor gatherings and events. This roaster makes it easy to cook a whole pig. The exterior is made of treated natural wood, designed for outdoor use. It's built to withstand the elements while providing a classic look. The natural wood gives it a rustic charm. Inside, it's lined with galvanized metal, which can withstand high heat. This ensures even cooking and durability. The metal interior is designed for longevity and performance. It features wheels and handles, making it easy to move around. You can easily transport it to your desired location. This makes it ideal for various outdoor settings. It comes with 4 oven mitts and a flavor-injecting syringe. These accessories enhance your cooking experience. They provide everything you need to get started. What we like. This Caja Asadora features a treated wood exterior and a galvanized metal interior, built for outdoor use. It's also easy to move around thanks to its wheels and handles. If you like the traditional Caja Asadora style and need something portable, this is a great choice. What people say. Easy to use, just read the instructions. Product comes out perfect if I follow the suggested rules. Roasted and cooked evenly and meat was really good. Number 3. Titan Ash and Ember 13W Barbecue Rotisserie Grill. This rotisserie grill can roast up to 85 pounds of meat. It ensures even cooking and enhanced flavor through better air ventilation and precise rotation. It features a powerful, yet quiet, 13-watt electric motor. This motor provides a smooth 360-degree rotation at 4 RPM, guaranteeing perfectly cooked meats every time. The stainless steel windscreen directs heat towards the meat. This feature helps to reduce cooking time and conserve coal usage. The durable dual-prong spit rod holds various meats, including whole pigs and turkeys. With adjustable tiers, it ensures juicy and tender results, while the drip pan collects fat for healthier cooking. Made with durable stainless steel, it is built to withstand the elements. The roaster includes locking caster wheels for easy movement. What we like. This grill offers an 85 lb capacity and a stainless steel windscreen for efficient cooking. Its durable stainless steel construction ensures it can withstand the elements. If you are looking for a reliable and efficient rotisserie grill, this one is for you. What people say. Easy to install and the cover to main grill is aligned. This is a great product. Product assembly is very simple and the quality of the manufacturing is evident from the second you start putting it together. Charcoal pan lifts in and out easily. Made cleanup quick. Also allowed us to remove the heat the second the lamb was ready, so we could let it continue to spin and cool on the spit, very nice alternative to pulling it off a hot pit to lay on a table. Number 2. Bene Casa Caja Asadora 70 pounds outdoor roasting box. This outdoor roasting box offers the ultimate way to cook juicy and succulent meat. Its ingenious design and efficient cooking process make it a must-have for any outdoor cooking enthusiast. You can cook a whole pig in just 4 hours with this roasting box. It achieves a mouth-watering, crispy exterior with a tender, juicy interior every time, thanks to its innovative technology. This large, professional-grade roasting box functions like an oven. It's heated by a top layer of charcoal, requiring no gas or electricity, and is specifically designed for outdoor use. It's constructed of weather-treated wood on the outside and a metal-lined interior that withstands extreme heat. This ensures durability and longevity even under harsh outdoor conditions. The product is equipped with 4 front heavy-duty wheels and 2 large back handles for easy portability. It also includes oven mitts for safe cooking, making setup and use effortless and convenient. What we like. This roasting box provides a quick and efficient cooking experience, cooking a whole pig in just 4 hours. It functions as a versatile outdoor oven, heated by charcoal. It's also easy to move around. If you want a fast and easy way to cook a whole pig, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Easy to use and the size is perfect. All the pieces were there, and it went together easily in under 45 minutes. When we went to cut it up, the bones pulled out in our hands and the cracklings were perfect. We ended up with lots of rendering and bones for soups in the winter and fall also. Number 1. SSG 152 Propane Stainless Steel Barbecue Spit Roaster. This is the SSG-1, a propane spit roaster designed for perfect results. It's made entirely of stainless steel, ensuring durability and longevity. Get ready to elevate your outdoor cooking. With a generous 52-inch capacity, this roaster can handle large cuts of meat with ease. The powerful 50W motor ensures even rotation for consistent cooking. Prepare to impress your guests. Built to last, the SSG-1 is crafted from high-quality stainless steel. This not only makes it incredibly durable but also easy to clean. Enjoy years of reliable performance. The propane fuel source offers convenience and portability. It provides consistent heat for perfect roasting every time. Enjoy the ease of use and delicious results. The SSG-1 is the perfect addition to any outdoor kitchen. It's designed to make roasting simple and enjoyable. Get ready to create unforgettable meals. What we like. This spit roaster uses propane, offering a convenient cooking experience. It features a 50W motor and is made of 100% stainless steel. If you prefer the ease of propane and want a durable roaster, you should consider this one. What people say. This product is great for roasting whole small animal, goat, lamb, pig or smaller pieces of cow. Roasted 100 pounds pig on it no problem. The metal is thin, excellent cooking time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.